Okay, really quick, I just want to show you how you could see what assignments Angel is missing. So if you're going to his Google Classroom, this is what he'll see when he's in his third grade resource Google Classroom. Up at the top, you see a couple of tabs. You want to go to the classwork one, click on that. You're going to see some headings here. Your reading, your math, and your language arts at the bottom. This is for the week that we are currently in. We're in week 7. And each subject will have about 3 tasks or 3 assignments that he needs to complete for this week. Now, on the list that I provided for you, he is missing some assignments from previous weeks. If you come over to the left, you could go down through these tabs and go to the archive weeks. If he's missing, let's say he's missing some assignments from week 4, you could click on week 4 and then all the assignments will come out right here. It'll tell you if he turned it in and if it was already graded. And if he's missing something, it'll tell you here that it's missing. Okay. If it doesn't have anything, that means it was just an assignment for them to review. So he turned most of week 4 in. If you look at week 5, I think this is where he was beginning to miss some. He turned that one in, it was graded, but then this one is missing. And this is just a video to help him understand what we're asking him to do. And all he really needs to do is this Google form right here. Okay. He does the Google form there. And this is the title. If I say he's missing language arts task 2, this is the one that he's missing, or math. Okay. So hopefully that'll help you or help him get all his assignments turned in and caught up. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call and we'll get it figured out. Thank you.